come June this year, that money will get back to the assembly, to the treasury, and it will be very unfortunate for the people of Nyandarua to hear that we are returning money when our roads are pathetic.
The excavator has been sweeping at Kwakum in the trading center, the capital city for Ishaupondo, Madam Speaker. It is sweeping on the road. A very shameful affair, Madam Speaker.
We need this machinery in good form, and it is possible, it is doable. We have already tried, it is working, so it can be made better.
When the other departments are exhausted, or rather they have not procured for their department, they simply go to the roads department in a name of, or in other words, saying or insinuating that they will pay back, but that fuel has not been responded to.